Hi, welcome back to the course on Advanced Computer Vision using OpenCV Python. In previous video, we have seen how to save video into our disk. In this video, I will explain how to use Numpy, like how OpenCV is using Numpy to do image operation and to represent the images in all the algorithms. So let's quickly import OpenCV that will be needing and import Numpy. Like we are creating one alias for numpy, like we are not going to use numpy whole package as we have cv2 short name. We'll keep numpy as np. Okay, so in python you can create alias of any package or any library, as you can the package name as the alias name, like it is customizable. You can keep any like nun or np. Okay, so let's create a blank image using NumPy and we'll try to display using OpenCV, like how we are like how OpenCV is creating image using NumPy. So let's assign image over here. We have a variable over here. I'm gonna reset it. Okay, and yes. Okay, so we have resetted the variable. Let's create like np dot zeros. We are like use np dot zeros. The very first argument is shape, like a width and height of your image. Let's create like 500 by 500. If it is a gray image, you can leave it like this, or you have RGB image, you can specify the channels, like 3 channels. Then you have to specify the data type. Okay, so OpenCV uses uint8 data type. Okay, so like execute this code, like first import both the libraries and execute this code. Image, as you can see, we have 500 by 500 image in like 3 channels. Let's show this blank image. cv2.im show image, specify the window name and the variable name. Okay, and use wait key to hold the window and also destroy the window once operation is done. Okay, so let's show this. So as you can see, we have like 0 represent the like black pixel, so we have all the RGB as 0, like both like 3 of the channels will have 0 pixel value. The pixel value you can see over here, like R is 0, G is 0, B is 0, and we have like XY coordinate over. As you move over the mouse, you can see the XY coordinates. Now let's do something with this image to see we have created image or not. Like let's use the line function, cv2 line function. It takes image as input. Then we have point 1, point 2, like starting of the line and ending of the line. So let's specify 0 0 as a starting, and the maximum height width is 500 by 500. So it will start from top left and it will end from bottom right. Okay, then you can specify the color like 25500, like there is 3 value represent B, G, R. Okay, so blue line color will be that. And then we have line thickness over here, like start with 1, you can go maximum number, and it will return the new updated image. So we will assign the new image to over here. It's a new image. Okay, and execute this code. Okay, so it is executed. Let's see this updated image. Just copy these 3 lines over here and just replace this with new image. Okay, and execute it. As you can see, we have created line from top to bottom. Like the first argument, starting of the line, like starting position of the line is 0 0 over here, as you can see, and the ending will be 500 by 500, like maximum height and width. Okay, So that's it. This is how the NumPy like create the images in the back code of the OpenCV. There are numerous operations that we will be doing using NumPy only. Like once you read the image using OpenCV, it is represented as NumPy array. So NumPy array, you can use any NumPy operation on these images. So in the next video, we will see how to use like NumPy operation on the images. Until then, happy learning.